In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your PC or laptop. This is going to give you better and faster internet connection. First of all, you need to open the Start menu and you need to search for Device Manager. Then on the left side, you need to search for Network Adapters and you need to scroll this menu down. Right here, you need to find your Wi-Fi adapter. In my case, it's the first one. I need to right click on this and go to the properties. Then you need to go to the advanced settings, and in this list you need to find preferred band. And right here in the value I need to set it on 5 GHz band and click the OK button in the bottom. But if you don't see 5 GHz in this list, that means your Wi-Fi adapter doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.